Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to add pages on Shopify in 2026. If you want to create pages like About Us, Contact, or Privacy Policy, this guide will help you do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to create a new page. Now from the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Pages. This is where all your store pages are managed. Next, click on the Add Page button. This will open a new page editor. Now enter your page title. For example, you can write About Us, Contact Us, or Shipping Policy depending on what you need. After that, add your content in the text box. You can write information about your business, policies, or any important details for customers. Next, you can format the text, add images, or links to make the page more professional and clear. Now scroll down to the visibility section. Make sure the page is set to visible so customers can see it. Once everything looks good, click Save to publish your page. After saving, you can also add this page to your store menu so visitors can easily find it. And that's it. Your new Shopify page has been successfully created and added to your store. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.